Hey guys, welcome back. I know what you're thinking. Okay, why didn't he show how to install drywall? Well, perfectly honest, I suck at it. But I did do it myself and my wife helped. But yeah, this is kind of what we got. If you're wondering why I did this way, what it is I put the panels going this way vertically instead of horizontally. And the reason I did that, it's one continuous seam from the top to the bottom, except for this, because it's 9-foot walls. It's gonna have the 1 foot at the bottom. This is done more in, from what I understand, in commercial buildings, is doing it this way, going straight up and down. Because I don't do a lot of drywall. I don't do a lot of, the tape and texture, but we're gonna do it. And I guess I'm going to go ahead and show you how I do it and how bad I am. I don't know. Maybe you can leave it in comments of easier ways or what you might see here that I'm doing wrong. I can't wait to get back to woodworking or welding, or let's get this done. Okay, what I've done here is I went ahead and get all the nails, or the screw holes, first, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the seams. And when I do the seams, I'm going to use this mesh tape. It'll actually go like that, and it sticks, but it also allows for mud to get inside there and into the crack. It's more expensive, but for me, it works a lot better than tape. From what they told me, drywallers here told me, is you can put this on the wall right there and mud it. So that's what I'm going to do. I got it, the first coat all done, and just got done sanding the seams on the wall. I'm going to get the ceiling here shortly, but yeah, it's getting there. Did I ever mention I hate sanding? Well, I hate doing drywall and with sanding, but it's getting there. I only had one mistake, and that was right here when I was cutting out the boxes. I missed one and I put it in the wrong spot, so had to make a patch. Okay, now since we got all the seams done, I'm going to switch knives from the 8-inch knife to the 12-inch. Now this is going to give me a lot better coverage. Say like right here from the 8-inch, because this is going to take you to each side. It does twist a little, so this should give me enough mud now in that area so I don't have to do it again. Just a nice sanding, do the texturing. I tell you what, this had made me realize I had muscles that I didn't use for a long time, especially doing the ceiling. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this done, and we're gonna show you how to spray some texture, or at least the way I think it needs to be sprayed. Here we go. Okay, we got her done. We ended up getting a nice coat of primer and paint on them. The texture came out, I thought, very nice. We went with an orange peel. And I had to thin out the material a lot because all I had is an orifice for the knockdown. So I turned up the spray pressure and hit it with a little bit lighter mix, and it turned out pretty good. I just got to do all the electrical. Well guys, I do appreciate you being here as always, and I appreciate your comments and your wisdom because this is the kind of thing I don't do every day. Not many people do unless they're building houses every day. So you know, if you have you know, comments or maybe even some wisdom you can spread, please put it in comments. We'd love to hear from you. Everybody in this community does, and as you know, we like to help each other out. So I'm going to go ahead and get the electrical done, and then we'll go from there. Get the saws in. I do like building stuff, as the title goes. But I really like making furniture and structures and outdoor stuff. And hey, I appreciate everything, guys. And please, if you would like this video, it really helps us out. Do that with all the makers out there and their YouTube channels. It really does help us out. So until next time, I'll see you on the next one.